How to check DM on Instagram 2026. Need to check your Instagram DMs quickly. I'll show you the fastest way to access your messages in seconds. If this helps, hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials. Checking your Instagram direct messages is essential for staying connected with friends, responding to followers, and managing business inquiries. Instagram has made DMs easy to access, but with constant app updates, some users get confused about where to find their messages. Today, I'm showing you the quickest methods to check your DMs on Instagram in 2026. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the home screen, look at the top right corner. You'll see a messenger icon that looks like a speech bubble or paper airplane. Tap this icon and you'll instantly open your direct messages inbox where you can see all your conversations. Second, check DMs from your profile page. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. At the top of your profile, you'll see the messenger icon again next to the menu button. Tap it to access your DMs. This is useful when you're already browsing your own content or editing your profile. Third, access DMs through notifications. When someone sends you a message, you'll get a notification on your phone. Tap the notification and it will take you directly to that specific conversation. This is the fastest way to respond to new messages without opening the app first and navigating to your inbox. Fourth, use Instagram on your computer or web browser. Go to Instagram.com and log into your account. Click the messenger icon in the top right corner of the screen next to the notifications heart icon. Your DM inbox will open in a sidebar where you can read and reply to messages. This is great for typing longer messages with a full keyboard. Fifth, check message requests from people you don't follow. When you open your DM inbox, look at the top where it says primary. Tap on it and you'll see options for primary and general or requests. Tap on requests to see messages from people you don't follow. These messages are filtered separately so they don't clutter your main inbox. You can accept or delete these requests. Sixth, search for specific conversations quickly. In your DM inbox, you'll see a search bar at the top. Tap it and type the name of the person or group you want a message. Instagram will instantly show matching conversations, so you can jump directly to that chat without scrolling through your entire inbox. Here's a pro tip for power users. Enable notifications for important conversations so you never miss messages from specific people. Open a conversation, tap the person's name at the top, scroll down and toggle on notifications. You can also pin important conversations to the top of your inbox by swiping right on the conversation and tapping the pin icon. This keeps your most important chats easily accessible. Another useful trick is to use the quick reply feature on your phone's notification. When you receive a DM notification, long press it on iPhone or pull it down on Android, and you can type a quick reply without even opening the Instagram app. So to recap, checking Instagram DMs requires tapping the messenger icon in the top right corner of your home screen or profile, clicking notifications when they arrive. Using the web version on computers, checking message requests separately, and using the search function for specific conversations. The fastest method is simply tapping the messenger icon from anywhere in the app. If this quick tutorial helped you access your Instagram DMs faster, please like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips. How many unread DMs do you currently have? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.